So here we are at Shine A Truck wash and polishing shop. Hopefully our mic is plugged up. We got the trailer rails cut last night and got the box cut and the trailer wheels cut. So cutting them is a long, slow process, and when they cut them, they use a rougher pad and a different colored bar, and it leaves. When they come back with a green pad or a green bar, I don't know anything about polishing. I'm trying to talk the guy into doing these right here, which is going to be really challenging because you got to sand them with a DA. I think over it takes a lot of work, and then eventually the plan would be to get that whole rear assembly done. But that's a lot of work and a lot of money, a lot of time to go into that. Right now, I'll just be happy to get this side right here done. We got acid put all over the truck. We don't have the truck started polishing yet, but they got it taped out, getting ready. So when Fernando gets his magic up here on this thing, man, it will be beautiful. And then I think this is a brother-in-law here working on this step box. So Fernando is making the final cut on the rail, final polish. He's starting to rear and going this way. I love the way he uses that wheel. He just finesse, you know. Man is good at his job. Let's look at that rail. That's a trailer rail right there. I'll show you this other side. But it's dark over here because it's against this wall, but this side here is done. Amazing. Trailer wheels come out pretty good. And the box came out real good. I mean, look at that shine. This is in the dark, you know. Look at that. And this guy here, he's putting the final touches on the wheels. Come out pretty good, didn't it?
Yeah, it did.
Beautiful. So I think the trailer is done. I got that, left the blue tape on there because I wasn't sure if that box was done or not. If I put that blue tape by the handle, there's a spot there. I'm going to have him go back over it. But anyway, so the trailer rails come out really nice. I can't wait to get it out in the sunlight. They still got to get up and take the top tape off the top rail. But it came out pretty good. So yeah. Still got a long ways to go on the truck. They got these wheels to do and tank to do. Look at that rail shining up. Isn't that amazing? Anyway, it's going to come out and look pretty good. Watching the master at work. That's the final cut there. And he'll come back in here and hand wipe it to get it all good. We don't have it pulled outside yet, but they've got this side right here wiped down. And getting her put back together. And once they get her washed up, she'll look pretty good. Put the chrome back on the wheels. I think they still got to go on. Yeah, they still got to do the inside of around the lug nuts. But wheel itself come out pretty good, right? They get her cleaned up. And the fuel tanks surviving. They still got to clean them. And yeah, I think I just scratched it. Dirty hands, look at this. That's a fine polish, you know, when you touch it and they scratch. And Fernando is working his magic up here on the front end. He's gonna make it look top shelf. We got that one there done. So there's what it looked like when it came in. This is what it looks like now. That's just a rough cut. Alright, there is the finished product that Fernando just finished up right here at Shine A Truck in Kingman, Arizona. I mean, look at those trailer rails. Did he do a stand-up job or what? I mean, the sun's down now. You should see him glowing in the sun, but I tell you what, he did a fantastic job. Trailer wheels turned out really nice. We got to hook that auto inflation system back up. Yeah, she turned out really good, didn't it? Look at that. That is just absolutely beautiful. So Fernando, thank you, sir. I'll have a link, guys, to Fernando's Instagram page. He's all the time posting videos of his polishing jobs he's done. And I'll have a video link in the description box there with his Facebook information. So you guys be able to check out that drop down box, description box, where my email address is, and check out Fernando's links to his Instagram and Facebook. And you guys, he's located right here in Kingman, Arizona, and his phone number is tied to his Instagram page. So you ever need to call him and get a hold of him, he'll hook you up. Awesome job. They pay really good attention to detail and cleans it up really nice once they get through polishing. I mean, she turned out darn near perfect. So there you go. Thank you, Fernando. We'll catch you on the next one. You will definitely be the next one that touches this truck for sure. I have found myself a new polish shop, guys. So if y'all want to look as good as this 389 Pete, his Life is Good Pete, then bring your ride down here and see Mr. Fernando. He'll hook you up. Tell him to give you the Life is Good package. There you go. Later.